So after framing my peacock, and it's the one that I did the photo of, I've been working on it all year, and I've taken it to different places and used the outside for scratching underneath. I've used baking soda and water to get different effects, and now we've put it in a frame, which is really rustic, and I think it works quite well. I'm just adding a few more gold touches to this area here, just to make it stand out a bit. So this is the finished product. I've just shine a torch and then you can see the detail of the gold. I don't know how well it shines really on the screen, but all the feathers, and then mark making and the scratches. The finished product.